So 346 fighter attack, it's debut in this area at Dubai Air Show. First time as a light fighter. We always presented the aircraft as an advanced trainer. It's still #1 in the world in advanced trainer, but we are adding additional roles. We will become #1 fighter attack. In fact, besides the training capabilities, now we can propose aggressor role, companion training role, and light fighter. Its exceptional performances allows the aircraft and the system to carry a very large number of weapons in a performing radar, and this will make the aircraft exceptionally suitable for the present time type of international crisis that really requires a light fighter attack type of aircraft.